this was the last, objective we have seen. We have identified some gap, you can say, or because of don't have a system, we could not verify some documents. But I need this document, Vimal, so that I can put a number and I can go through quickly. Later on, after this meeting.
Yeah, after this meeting, I will check this number and around NCR register audit report. And
so, Ashish, you are there? Ashish, I will send this PHA to you, and you can extract these numbers in one mail where I have put XXX, no? XXX. Copy and paste and put in the mail and send to Bimal, and he will give you the document number and which document. Right now. So Bimal, when you can send me this document and document number?
Yeah, after this meeting, I will check this document. I will check and I will come back to.
Okay. So what I will do, I will definitely prepare the report and will send you the draft report. Paresh, anything you want to highlight? Paresh?
Regarding draft report, means what regarding what?
Yeah, regarding draft report, regarding the any point you want to highlight in the chairman note, because I will put some chairman note. I want to say that this is not.
Chairman note. Only thing is, see, mainly the HSE tracker. If they issue it now, Vimal, if only one recommendation is there, I think. Only I think into
action tracking register. Yeah.
So Vimal, if you can issue the HSE action tracker register officially before this issuing of the PHSER workshop report, it will be easy for everyone. It will be good for everyone that we can have workshop without recommendation. No, otherwise, you have to go one more cycle and put PHSER in your action tracker.
Yeah. I think let us
advise to issue it immediately. Yeah, we only 5 action, and I already shared the format. Only you have to attach the cover page and action, all action close out, and issue to the evidence.
Yeah, today I will issue that, sir. It's already completed. Today I will submit.
So only it is just give the main thing is by the time give the document number to the chairman, let him prepare the reports and other thing. By the time first and second revision is coming on, we can issue the report for the tracker
then I will put it here. I will remove the extra recommendation.
Yeah, better way. Chairman, I think related to the further point, but only you can say the only required because
I'm not